Let's talk about Leonardo AI. Beautiful arts, awesome portraits, and just stunning graphics. Nowadays, AI art tools are quite trending. So in this video, we discuss two popular AI art tools. I will first discuss the Midjourney AI image generator tool. You can make stunning artworks from it. This is a text to image tool. You just need to provide prompts and it's done. But it's not a free tool, it's a premium tool. Look at this showcase, community showcase actually. But what now? Basically, another AI art generator tool comes into play. Its name is Leonardo AI. You can see some examples, logos, HD images, photography ideas. So friends, let's look at Leonardo AI. Those are all of features of its UI user interface, which I found very user friendly. Look at this models. In the free version, you get 150 tokens per day. Generating an image costs only 2 tokens. This token resets after 24 hours. To me, 150 tokens are enough to learn the basics of Leonardo AI. Look at this community feed. Very impressive artworks. These are the most impressive artwork designed by the community. Look at sceneries, portrait images, graphics, animation style, and this colorful looks vibrant, so vibrant color, impressive photography and artworks. So these are images generated by me. I used the model, gave the prompt, and then the image was ready. Look at this Indian scenery. Prompt details you can see. Check out these amazing AI art images. You just have to pay attention to your words. Think about what image you want to create, and the more detail there is, the better the image will come out. Look at this image. Beautiful sunset view. Stunning, just lovely. On the home page, you will find some model already designed. See here, you can use them. You might get better result from them. You can also learn from other users by visiting their profiles. I did the same thing and learn. So friends, this is Leonardo AI. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. So this was the cool AI generator tool Leonardo AI. I hope you like it.